Once upon a time, in a small fishing village in Jamaica, there lived a boy named Neville. From a young age, he was captivated by the sea, watching his father cast nets into the turquoise waters. Every evening, Neville would help his father haul in their catch, dreaming of one day becoming a great fisherman himself. As Neville grew, he was determined to prove himself. He saved up every penny he could, eventually buying his very own boat, a vibrant blue vessel named Dreamcatcher. With the love and support of his family, he ventured out into deeper waters, where the fish were plentiful but the challenges greater. Days turned into weeks, and often, he returned empty-handed. But Neville never lost hope. He learned to read the stars and the weather, mastering the art of fishing. His persistence paid off. He began to catch enormous marlins and snapper, which he sold at the bustling market in town. Word quickly spread about the young fisherman with the golden touch. With his newfound wealth, Neville uplifted his village. He invested in boats for his neighbors, turned the market into a thriving hub of activity, and created a cooperative that allowed others to share in the bounty of the sea. Years later, as he stood on the shore, watching the sunset light the sky in brilliant hues, Neville reflected on his journey. He was no longer just a fisherman, he was a beacon of hope for his community, proving that with hard work and dedication, dreams can truly come true. In a place known for its beautiful waters, Neville had become a legend, forever remembered as the boy who made the sea his fortune.